What if I told you that ancient symbols could unlock the secrets of the universe? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, stick around, because today we're diving deep into a mind-bending connection between ancient geometry and the cosmos. Imagine discovering that the designs etched into ancient texts and carvings aren't just art, they're a cosmic blueprint. You might be missing out on a whole new perspective on the universe if you don't watch this video until the end. Welcome to our channel, Universal Insights. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world where ancient spirituality meets modern science. You might be surprised to learn how ancient geometric designs like Yantras from Hinduism could be mirroring the very fabric of our universe. First up, let's talk about Yantras. These intricate geometric patterns are much more than ancient symbols. They are believed to represent the universe in its most fundamental form. Imagine a circle, a finite boundary, containing infinite triangles. Here, I draw a triangle inside a circle and an inverse triangle making a star. After this, I give a boundary, circle, on each triangle and then put an inverse triangle which give me again a star. I can keep on doing this and there is no limit to it. The Big Bang released an infinite number of tetrahedrons, each representing a boundary, circle, that it never exceeded. Our body is finite, but inside there is an infinite amount of potential and connectivity. We have infinite mass and particles within us. No matter how much we divide, the end result is as shown. This concept of infinite within finite isn't just spiritual jargon. It has a striking resemblance to the Big Bang theory. A planet orbits the sun orbits a the galaxy orbits another cluster, the cluster orbits the universe, and the universe orbits another universe. This is infinite, and this is what is happening in space. Is anything actually moving? How do you define a center when there are infinite rotations and every point is a center? You are the universe's center, and you observe it from there. Whichever point you choose as your point of observation becomes the center from which you observe the universe. That point becomes still. In that point, all of the universe's spins cancel out. For each spin, there is an exact and opposite counterspin. So, when all of the spin cancels out in each point, stillness occurs. We observe the universe from a position of stillness and center. For example, to view a pen from all sides, we move the pen rather than we moving around it. A galaxy's center, also known as its eye, is still. Stillness is required to provide a frame of reference for rotation, which is how singularity occurs. The point at the center of stillness from which you can see the whole universe is called singularity. We are not all the same because we all see the universe from our own point of stillness and center. Here's the mind-blowing part. The Big Bang theory suggests that our universe began from a single, immense explosion expanding outward endlessly. This matches the concept of infinite patterns within finite boundaries found in Yantras. Could it be that ancient texts were hinting at the universe's creation long before modern science? Now, let's connect the dots. If we all look at a pen from different angles, we will all learn different things about it. When we look at a galaxy, we see the same dynamics. The galaxy resembles a whirlpool, and at the center of the universe is an enormous black hole, which is the point of stillness, singularity, the point at which all spins cancel, resulting in a non-moving singularity, but a black hole orbits outside. If you go in and in towards the singularity, it gets colder. It has been discovered that every galaxy contains a black hole at its center. The brightest object observed is a dot in the center of a black hole, which is because we are looking at the external part of the black hole rather than the internal part. Everything is centered on a singularity, and everything outside is the radiated part that we see as the universe, because it rotates and has angular momentum, which generates forces such as electromagnetic, radiation, and so on. Black holes and their counterparts, white holes, are fascinating. Black holes pull everything in, creating a point of no return, while white holes push material away. This dynamic creates a balance that could be reflecting the same ancient principles found in Yantras. Black holes pull from places you don't want to be. Here, near means the event horizon. The event horizon of a black hole is the region of space-time beyond which nothing can escape, not even light. This contrasts with a white hole that spits material at you to push you away. A white hole expels everything and accepts nothing. White holes have event horizons that you can never reach, unlike black holes. As we all know, the electromagnetic field, EMF, and light can be bent by gravitational force. Therefore, a light in the universe will not escape because there is too much mass, but will travel from one star to another and come back. We live in a black hole, which explains the black sky. Because light contracts in a vacuum towards singularity, everything inside a black hole is a small black hole, and we are outside of them. They look like white holes and are inside each other. So what's the takeaway? Ancient geometry and modern cosmology might be two sides of the same cosmic coin. These ancient symbols could be more than just religious artifacts. They might hold clues to understanding our universe's deepest mysteries. This is our first video, and if you found this connection between ancient wisdom and modern science as intriguing as I did, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing insights into the mysteries of the universe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. What do you think ancient symbols reveal about our world? Remember, the universe is full of wonders just waiting to be discovered. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.